What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another video, and it's Invicta time once again. So if you guys follow my channel, you know I'm a big fan of the Invicta watches. I normally buy the watches because of how big they are, and I just like the brand. I don't work for them, they don't pay me or anything like that. I just like the Invicta watches, the look of them, and that's about it. So I picked up another Invicta watch. This is it right here. I got it from evine.com. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. But this is the Invicta 40mm Pro Diver Quartz Magnified Date Window Stainless Steel Bracelet Watch. So I got mine a little bit cheaper than this. They got it for $59.99 right there, but I got mine a little bit cheaper. So this comes in multiple colors. As you can see, these are the different colors you can get. Right here, some beautiful colors. But the first one that they showed here, and this is a case that it comes in, and that's the back of the watch. But I got this color right here, blue, gold, and silver. And excited to get it. It's a smaller watch, 40mm. I usually pick up watches that are a whole lot bigger than this in the Invicta line. So let's look at some of the description on this watch here. So this watch, the movement is Quartz. The movement country of origin is Japan. The case measurement is 40mm. The thickness is 13mm. Case material is stainless steel. The bezel is a unidirectional rotating. The crystal is a flame fusion. You also get a date material there, alloy, dial. I'm trying to do this behind the camera, guys. The dial material is alloy. The crown is a push-pull. Complications, you get a 3 o'clock date window. You get a bracelet that's stainless steel. The bracelet measurements is 8.5 long by 20mm tapered to 18mm wide. The clasp is a deploy with safety. This is water resistant, 20 ATM, 200mm to 600 or 200mm or 660 feet. Watch country of origin, Japan. So you do get a little warranty information right there as well. So like I said, I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. So let's take it out, check it out, man. So yeah, I've been buying Invicta watches for a long time, and I've featured several on my channel here. If you guys follow me, then you know this already. And I just like them, man. Normally, like I said earlier, I get them for the size, but this one, it's a little bit smaller watch than what I normally get, and just kind of changed up a little bit. So you get a little paperwork here. Get an extra 10% off on your next purchase, which is good. And let's see what this is. This is probably my receipt here. Let's see. So I can show you guys what I paid for mine. I paid $48 plus $4.14 taxes. Caught a special on TV that they had there. So let me get this out of the box. Okay, guys, so here's the box. It was a little bit of a struggle getting it out of that brown box, but you do have the Invicta logo on the top and just a big yellow box. So let's check it out here. So there's another box inside of the box. So let's turn this around. And then you have a little flap right here that opens up. So now we get to the watch box. So let's get this back together over here. Yellow box. You like yellow? And it's definitely yellow. So this is a huge box for a small little watch here. So has the Invicta on there, kind of like a clamshell on the outside of it here. So here's the watch, and it looked like it's been just thrown in there. So you do get a microfiber cleaning cloth right here. And of course, you get your paperwork. Let's see, you get your warranty information, some other warranty information here. And this is where you can register your watch and things of that nature. And then here's the watch. Just kind of laying in here. Normally they'll cross this here, this little pad here, but it's just laying in there. So here's the watch. Let's get some of this plastic off of it and check it out. So initial reaction, it is beautiful. I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but it has a beautiful blue color with the gold accents around it there. Let's go ahead and get this plastic off, man. I'm kind of excited about it. I want to talk about the watch and still got all this plastic on it. So, okay guys, so here's the watch after getting the plastic off of it. They had a ton of plastic on here, but here's the beautiful band on it. As you can see, that nice gold and silver combination right there looks awesome. Here's the clasp right here, if I get it the right side up. And I had it the right way the first time. So here it is. You can see it has a little bit of Invicta branding on there. And the way you take it loose is like this. And there it is. The watch is nice and light in the hand. And on the back of it here, do have some writing there. I think you have Invicta. You have the feet that you can go as far as water resistance, and you also have your model number, so that is nice. And then on this side, the crown does have the Invicta logo on it here, I think, as far as I can see. Then you have a little bit of Invicta branding on this side as well, you can see. And then here's the front of the watch. Has a nice blue dial, has the Invicta logo and wording there. Then you have your bezel here, which rotates all the way around. And it only rotates one unidirectional, so it goes just one way here. And it does look like it has some type of pearl or something right there. So you can see you have your magnified date window right there. And your crown is push-pull, so you can pull this out and you can set the time. You push it in a little bit and you set the date. And just overall, very good looking device. I think they call this a coin bezel right here. But I do like how they have the numbers on the outside of it, make it look real good there. And on the inside, that is illuminated, those hour markers and the hour hand. And I think the hour and the minute hand are illuminated, and the hour markers as well. So yeah, man, this is nice. A little bit smaller than what I really always wear buy. So let's check it out on my wrist real quick. Let's get the Apple Watch. Get out of here for now, Apple. It's not your video. So let's get this on. Check it out right quick. All right, so here it is. Now, of course, I'm gonna have to take some links out of it, but this is what it's gonna look like here. Try to get a good shot here. So not very big, not big as I like, but this is just something a little different from Invicta, and I like it. So let me get this off. All right, so there it is. But anyway, guys, that's a look at this watch from Invicta. This is the Pro Diver. Leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Will H, and I'm out.